Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about Newton's backward interpolation formula. The question is find f of 2.28 from the following table. X values are 2.00, 2.10, 2.20, 2.30. Corresponding fx values are 1.7314, 1.7811, 1.8219, 1.8535. Here we see that 2.28 lies at the end of the table. That's why we will use Newton's backward interpolation formula. Let us first write the Newton's backward interpolation formula. Fx equals to yn plus p Bechdel yn plus p into p plus 1 by factorial 2 Bechdel 2 yn plus p into p plus 1 p plus 2 by factorial 3 Bechdel 3 yn plus so on. Here yn is the last value of fx and p is x minus xn divided by h. Value of p is x is 2.28 and xn is 2.30 and the value of h is 2.10 minus 2.00, that is 0.10. So value of p is minus 0.2. Now let us find the backward difference table, which is similar to forward difference table. X values are 2.00, 2.10, 2.20, 2.30. Fx values are 1.7314, 1.7811, 1.8219 and 1.8535. First order backward difference is Bechdel y. Subtracting 1.7314 from 1.7811 is 0.0497. Next, subtracting 1.7811 from 1.8219 is 0.0408. Next, subtracting 1.8219 from 1.8535 is 0.0316. So here Bechdel y1 is y1 minus y0 and so on. Second order backward difference is Bechdel 2y. Subtracting 0.0497 from 0.0408 is minus 0.0089. Next, subtracting 0.0408 from 0.0316 and that is minus 0.0092. Third order backward difference del 3y is subtracting minus 0.0089 from minus 0.0092, that is minus 0.0003. So backward difference table is complete. Now let us put the values of yn, Bechdel yn, Bechdel 2 yn, Bechdel 3 yn and p's in the formula of Newton's backward difference interpolation. So f at 2.28 is Bechdel yn. Let's see the last value for y is 1.8535. So here we will put 1.8535. 1.8535. Then plus p into Bechdel yn. So p is minus 0.2 and Bechdel yn is, this value is Bechdel yn. So plus minus 0.2 multiplied 0.0316 plus p minus 0.2 into p plus 1 minus 0.2 plus 1 divided by factorial 2 into Bechdel 2 yn. Bechdel 2 yn is minus 0.0092 minus 0.0092 plus p minus 0.2 into p plus 1 minus 0.2 plus 1 p plus 2 minus 0.2 plus 2 divided by factorial 3 into Bechdel 3 yn. So here we see Bechdel 3 yn is minus 0.0003. So minus 0.0003. Now if we calculate, then we will get the result as 1.846504. So this is the answer, and if we take up to 4 decimal places, then 1.8464. Next question, compute the values of f3.5 and f7.5 using Newton's interpolation from the following table. This question has appeared in Macau 2008. f3.5 you will find by Newton's forward interpolation formula, and f7.5 you will find by Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. Work out yourself. Another question, using approximate formula, find f of 0.23 and f of 0.29 from the following table. This question is very important. It has appeared 3 times in mark out exam. So this one also, the first one you will use by Newton's forward interpolation formula, and the second one by Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. Work out yourself, and if you have any query, please drop in the comment box.